If you are a marketer, you already know the truth. Video is no longer optional. But let me guess. You're currently staring at a heavy video editing timeline at 11 p.m., wondering why a simple 60-second Instagram reel just ate up your entire afternoon. You're stressed, you're behind on your content calendar, and your boss or your clients are asking for more. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why your video production takes so long. And I'm going to give you the exact system to go from a blank page to a published video in minutes, not hours. So, why is it taking so long? Reason number one, you're starting from a blank timeline every single time. Importing footage, cutting dead air, syncing audio. It's manual labor. Reason two, you're using the wrong tools. Premiere Pro and Final Cut are amazing for Hollywood movies, but for a marketer juggling 5 other campaigns, they are overkill and too slow. Reason 3. Captions. 80% of video is watched on mute. If you are manually typing and syncing subtitles, you are wasting hours of your life. And finally, you're probably wasting 45 minutes just searching Google for the right piece of stock footage to put in your background. This isn't just annoying, it's costing you money. When your video workflow is slow, you miss viral trends. You post inconsistently, which kills your algorithm reach. And worst of all, you get burned out. Outsourcing to an agency costs hundreds of dollars per video. But you don't need a bigger budget to fix this. You need a smarter system. To speed up your workflow, you have to stop manually editing. You need to turn text into video automatically, auto-generate captions in seconds, and have a built-in stock library so you never have to search for B-roll again. And the easiest way to do all of that in one place is Pictory. Pictory is an AI video tool built specifically for marketers. You can paste your blog post in, and it will automatically generate a video with matched stock footage and perfectly synced captions. Have a long podcast? Upload it, and Pictory's AI will automatically chop it into 10 viral shorts. It edits like a Word document. It's insane. If you are a marketer or agency owner, you have to try this workflow. It will save your weekends. I put a link in the description and in the pinned comment below where you can try Pictory for yourself. Plus, I included a special discount code just for my viewers. Click that link, speed up your video production, and let me know in the comments how much time it saved you. Subscribe for more marketing workflows, and I'll see you in the next one.